Hello YouTube! Welcome back for another episode of Don's Lawns. If you recall, in my previous video, I've been dealing with a little bit of a brown patch that came up when I allowed my grass to get too tall. So, my grass got too tall, we had lots of rain. All of the low areas in my lawn, which you may be able to see right here in this footage, pretty much got a little bit of a brown patch infestation disease started to occur. You can kind of see in this clip here. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and treat the lawn now. It's a couple days since I mowed, and I'm gonna go ahead and treat the lawn with some Scott's Disease X. I've used the bio-advanced propiconazole in the past, which you can see in some of my other videos here. But I wanted to change it up. Obviously, you're not supposed to continue using the same type of fungicide over and over again, because then the fungus becomes tolerant and ends up fighting back a little bit more, comes back a little more stronger. So we switched from the propiconazole, which was in the bio-advanced, to this Disease X, which is Azoxystrobin. Different groups, different active ingredients, and hopefully a better effect this time. So let's roll that beautiful footage. So according to the bag, which you always want to read the bag, read the label, the Scott's Disease X preventative rate is 2 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Curative rate is 4 pounds per 1,000 square foot. And kind of like how I did with the bio-advanced, I'm going to cut the difference and try to go right in the middle. The bag treats 5,000 square feet, and that's exactly how much lawn I have to treat. So basically I need to use the whole bag on my whole lawn. But you want to make sure you're not putting down too much in some areas and not enough in others, so you want to try to even it out. Make sure you're following the directions on the bag, putting down the rate that you are supposed to put down. Anywhere between 2 and 4 pounds per 1,000 is safe to do. I would like to notate that the bag does not instruct you to actually water the Azoxystrobin in. However, multiple sources have suggested that you should water it in very lightly, maybe a 1/4 inch of water. So I'm gonna run that in-ground sprinkler that I built and maybe run it for about 20 minutes. That's roughly a 1/4 of an inch on my property. So I'm gonna run that and then we'll be all done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to hit the like button, tap subscribe, check out my Teespring store. I hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck in the lawn.